But the Schwinn, I'm getting ready to put the 48 volt back together here. Of course, I got to do a little bit of work. I put pedals on it and the gear shifter's going on now, but got a little bit of work to do yet. And I got a new wheel with a snow tire for the other bike. I'm gonna put the disc on there, nice wide, what is it called? ALEXRIMS. Yeah, it's a nice double wall mountain bike wheel. And I'm gonna hook up the disc on there, and that's for the disc. So I'll put that on the bike, on the tomac. And I've got a little bit of work to do now that winter is back.